My name is Steven with Reliant Plumbing. Customer called us out after they got a notification from the water district. They're losing a ton of water. Our customer did not know where that water was coming from. In this instance, due to the terrain we're dealing with and where we found the leak was actually underneath the driveway. As you can see, the driveway goes really high up, about 255 feet. So we came up with a solution to install a whole new water line going from the meter all the way to the house. In this conditions of terrain, and the previous pipe that was in here was a PVC line. PVC lines are notorious for leaks due to the ground shifting, tree roots, and other elements of the earth. So running a new PEX line is going to be a lot more flexible and easier to deal with all the roots around it. So inside the house, in the garage, we're going to have to also do a reroute of the water line. So where the water line is coming into the house currently is not where it used to come in. So in order for us to make that happen, we need to go ahead and reroute the line up and over to the softener. And then at that point, our leak will be no more. So right here, we have the all trenched out, going all the way down the hill, 255 feet to the bottom of the hill. And then once we go ahead and bring the new water line inside the garage, what we're gonna do is go ahead and bring the water line up above the wall, bring it all the way down over to the softener. And then that right there will fix our leak. So this right here is gonna be the PEX. This right here is 1.5 inch PEX. It's a pretty big pipe, not your average PEX that you see in your home. And then right here, we have a smaller 1-inch size roll that's gonna go inside the garage. But this roll right here is gonna be laid in the trench. All right, so right here we have our backflow, our RPZ, and then we also have our pressure reducing valve. The pressure reducing valve is gonna lower the incoming water pressure from the city to the home. And then also our backflow is gonna prevent any bad water backflowing into the city's water. All right, guys, I gotta go ahead and get going now. I'm gonna leave the job up to the Ukrainian hammer. He's got it well taken care of. Our customer is in good place. If you guys ever need any leak detection services, any new water lines, we're here for you. Any plumbing issues, go ahead and give us a call.